what are the benefits in complete life this IIT tag. Okay, IIT is having very high demand in every time. Not only this tag belongs with you, your family, your father, your mother also feel proud is a IITian, है ना? Graduate aptitude test in engineering. It's an exam which gives the opportunity to get the admission in the IIT. Hello my dear student, today we are going to discuss the power of IIT tag. What is the power of IIT tag and how you can achieve this? What is the path to achieve and what are the benefits in complete life this IIT tag? Okay, so we are going to start. First of all, what according to you, what is the meaning of power of IIT tag? Here I am discussing all IITs, top IITs है ना, top 7 IITs and new IITs also, all IITs है ना. So IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, Roorkee, Madras है ना, each and every IIT Delhi है ना, every IIT I am going to discuss. What is the meaning of IIT? You can see here the globe है ना. So you can see the red point is IITs, that is indicated. Some of the are old IITs and some of them are new IITs. And what is the meaning of IITs? IIT means Indian Institute of Technology. It is not only a college, like you are thinking ki IIT is also one of the college for the engineering purpose. But according to me, IIT is not only the college for engineering, it is more than college, and it is a dream of millions of students every year. If I'm talking about JEE, IIT JEE Advanced, JEE Advanced, yeah, GATE, yeah, JAM, so it's a dream of millions of students every year because it's built by visionary and backed by the government and respect worldwide, not only in India. If you are going outside the India, you are going Stanford, Harvard, any foreign university, top university in the world, they respect the IITians. It doesn't mean ki all are not getting the respect. Listen the disclaimer, everyone getting the respect, but if you have an IITian, you deserve more respect, and you not only deserve, you getting this more respect. So getting in IIT means you are cracking one of the toughest exam, like JEE Advanced, yeah, GATE, yeah, JAM. You know, IIT JEE Advanced and GATE are the top 10 toughest exam in the world. Not only in India, in the world, top 10 toughest exam. So this is the reason. And IIT, it's not only a name. IIT is a legacy. It's a legacy. IIT not only a name. It's a brand which is built over a decade. You know, so many global leaders, innovator, change maker, most of them are from the IITians, most of them are the IITians. If you saying IIT, I am an IITian, I have done my graduation, my post graduation from the IITian, that means people think you are a very intelligent, disciplined, ambition. Directly, if you introduce yourself ki I am from IIT Bombay, that means people have a different mindset. No need to tell the branch ki you are from civil, mechanical, EC, electrical. If you are saying I am a IITian, that is also a very big impact. Okay, so it is not only like one tag, it's a launchpad for the career. It's a launchpad for the career, because what is the reason I am saying launchpad for the careers? Because IIT is having very high demand in every time, every year, every place, every time. Doesn't matter it is a recession or it is a peak time, yeah, whatever, IIT is always in high demand, for a tech giant to the global bankers, everyone, company offer top roles and attractive package to each and every IITians, and field like tech, consulting, finance, core engineering field, you will get in a major positions are from the IITians. So not only getting the package, yeah, top branch, yeah, top positions, IIT and getting the respect and recognition, not only India, all over India. So if you want to study further, a IIT degree open the door for the world best university. If you are done the any graduation, any degree from the IITian, then you have opened a door from the foreign universities, world top universities like MIT, Stanford, Harvard, they know and they trust the IIT values, plus there is a powerful alumni network, you will get it, that help you in throughout your life, in complete journey. Being a IITian, you not only getting this respected universities, you get the respect in interviews, in societies, in casual conversation, and your family not only this tag belongs with you, your family, your father, your mother, your family member, elders, है ना, या youngers also feel proud कि yes, my brother, my sister, या my son, my child, my relative is a IITian, है ना. So family take also pride, and stranger get the impress, है ना, stranger are impressed. So it's a excellence, है ना. Are you getting my point? And not only this, ki you will get a very good package, you will get very good package, very good position, you will get respect, you will get recognition. Apart from this, you will get innovation and startups also. You can see here ki top of the startups like Flipkart, I'm talking about Ola, Zomato, these are the few names, है ना, these are the few names. Many startups in the India, है ना, the founder member are top IITians, है ना. You know Google CEO Sundar Pichai, है ना, he is also IITian. So there are various top founders come, है ना, in startup, in top MNCs, in top positions, all are IITians, है ना. So IITian not only a one tag, not only a one path, you can say not only one launch pad, it give diversify possibilities, है ना. So plus entrepreneurship, है ना, mentorship, incubator, all are IITians, है ना. Innovation is just to encourage. This is a part of culture, है ना. Like if you are, what is the difference between the IITs and other colleges, है ना. All college are provide the education, ना, but in IITs your vision become so high, है ना. Your way of thinking and your way of solving the question, या way of deal the problems are become totally different, and that create a difference for you and other people which are not from the IITian. Okay, so that's why IIT has not only a tag, it's a legacy, है ना. So you will get not only these things, you will get strong alumni network which help you in lifelong, है ना, lifelong. Imagine you have a mentor, having a mentor who have been where you want to go. Are you getting my point? Plus IIT's alumni are, I already told you, on a top positions, hold a top holdings, yeah, top roles in business, academic, government and beyond. With this alumni meet, you will get global opportunities also, है ना. And when IIT alumni meet happen, you will get big connections not only in India, outside the India, that will help you throughout your life. So IIT means IIT, है ना. So more than, it's not only tag, it is more than a tag, because IIT open the door, है ना. If you are along with the IITian, if you are little bit hardworking, because if you are IITian, that means you are hardworking. After the graduation or degree or post graduation, if you are little bit give more efforts, then each and everything is available for you. And because you know, it's not a shortcut to getting a admission in IIT, it's not a shortcut or not a one day fight, it's a complete journey, है ना. So these are the not only a tag, but it's a powerful weapon, you can say, for your life, है ना. So IIT tag is also powerful. It transform your livelihood and open all possibilities for you, my dear, all possibilities for you. Because if you are getting the IITian, and if you have done, if you are a IITian, again listen, if you are IITian, then not only you will get very good opportunity, not only you will get very good package, not only you will get any very good position, but also you will get global recognition. You have possibility to do your higher education from the world top universities, है ना, IMIT, है ना, Harvard, Stanford, anything. And not only in India, you will get the respect all over world. Being a IITian, that means you are technically sound, you are intelligent, you are smart enough, है ना, and you are visionary also. Your mindset is totally different from all other college engineering student, या all other college student. So IIT is not only just a tag, it's a opportunity, yeah, it's which give the possibility, different platform, diversify platform in every field. Okay, so what I'm saying, it's a powerful, IIT tag is a powerful because it open the possibilities for you. It's, and it's just a beginning. Whatever you want to do it na, that is truly matter. So I request to all of you, dream big, dream big, है ना, and work hard, and please make this tag count in your pocket, है ना. Mean to say, I wish, I cross my finger for you कि please give your best. If you are a 10th standard to 11th 12th, then give your best in JEE IIT JEE advance, है ना. Or if you are in graduation part, then give your best, है ना, and get the IIT tag. And if you are an engineer, so you, due to any reason, it is not possible to get this tag for after 12th, so life will give one more time opportunity, one more opportunity to get this tag with the help of engineering stream for a post graduation. And what is the this you can achieve with the help of GATE exam. Yes, dear student, GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. It's an exam which gives the opportunity to get the admission in the IIT. Yeah, you can say it, GATE exam give the opportunity. What is your dream? What is your dream? What is your dream? What is your dream which you are not able to fulfill, which you was not able to fulfill due to any reason after the 12th, है ना. But life giving second chance to you कि you can take the admission in IITs and become a IITian, है ना. And for this examination, what is the syllabus for a GATE examination? All the engineering subject which you have read, which you have gone through in your BTech, just technical aspect of this subject. Like what are the subject? Like operating system, computer network, DBMS, COA, TOC, compiler, C, data structure, algorithm, digital aptitude, and discrete mathematics and graph theory. These are the 11 to 12 subject you can say combined. If you are combining 12 subject, assume 12 subject which you have to read, and you will get the chance in a IIT. So GATE is the exam which give the chance to become a IITian for you, है ना. And me and my team are here for helping you, because we have a Khalil sir, the god of computer science, guru ke guru. Malesham sir, he is also alumni of IIT Bombay, which is the dream for each and every CS branch student या every GATE aspirant कि I want to do my master either from ISC Bangalore या IIT Bombay या top IITs. So he is also from IIT Bombay alumni, है ना. चंदन सर, एक्स इसरो, अविनाश सर, शैलेंद्र सर, डॉक्टर पार्थ सर, मी, सतीश सर, गौरव सर is also IITian, साक्षी मैम is also IITian, she is also IITian. So we have a complete team which mentor you each and every subject, है ना. We have a dedicated special है ना, dedicated faculty for a particular subject which not only teach you, which guide you, which completely give the guidance ki how to get this tag. Okay, and for this we have a weekdays batch and weekend batch. Weekdays batch starting already just 16th April, and we have a batch for CSIT and DA. You know DA means data science and artificial intelligence. It is an interdisciplinary branch. So every CS student, please prepare for, every CS GATE aspirant, please prepare for DA also, because there are 2-3 subjects are different, like AI, ML, data warehousing, and math and stats in depth, है ना. So please, being a computer engineer, you have to prepare for a DA exam, because what happened in the recent examination result in a GATE 2025, some student who performing not very good in GATE CS but performing best in DA, है ना. Like one student I know getting the 800 rank in CS branch but getting under 150 rank in DA branch. So every CS student, I request to all of you, please prepare for both of the exam, because right now you have a sufficient time. Additional 2-3 chapters, 2-3 topic, या 2-3 subject you can say, which you have to read, and right now you have a sufficient time, you can do it, है ना. So please, it's my humble request, is my suggestion, it's my advice कि every CS student give the both exam. Don't think कि sir, if I prepare for both then I am not able to do best in one, because only 2-3 subject you have to read extra, majorly CSIT subject. So I'm not saying कि DA is your primary subject, primary paper. CSIT is CS is a primary paper, but in DA you can also do the very good, है ना, very good, or not only very good, you will get very good best rank also, है ना. So we have a weekend batch for a professionals, yeah, for a college going, yeah, which not having a time in weekdays. We have a weekend batch that is start from the 26th April, that is recently, and both batches are available, CS and DA. We have a placement batch also, and with placement and without placement, all the permutation of combination, weekdays, weekend, Hindi batch, English, weekdays, weekend, CS, IT, DA, combo, placement, without placement, every permutation combination we have. And the price is very very ultra affordable. It start from 6,999, in which you will get 900 hours plus live content, 300 hours plus recording, DPP with video solution, PYQ in quiz format, one-to-one mentorship session, post gate guidance, everything, and doubt solving portal, everything you will get it. Okay bacha, so these, and we have a batches for gate 2026 also, 2 years program 2027 2028. So you have a right now opportunity है ना, just enroll it and give your preparation and start your preparation and give your dream into a reality है ना. Please try for this and do little bit, because you know what happened, how you achieve this IIT tag, just because of two pillar: discipline, या dedication and consistency. If you are giving your consistent efforts, definitely it is possible. Due to any reason, if it was not possible after 12th na, but now it is possible with the help of this exam. So prepare for it, and you can use this code upskill30 for getting the maximum discount, my dear student. So till now, thank you everyone. If you have any query, any doubt, any question, you can connect me on Telegram also, or you can ask your question in a comment section. Okay, so once again, thank you and best of luck for your bright future. God bless you, my dear students.